Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a thrift store haul for you. These were from several different thrift stores that I have near me, and it is all stuff that I will be using in junk journals. I found several old kids books, which are really awesome. I found this Tale of Benjamin Button, and I had found one of these before, but this will be really fun for Easter junk journals. I found this Walt Disney 101 Dalmatians, and this book is from, let's see, 1960. And most of these books were from, this was 50 cents, I believe, and this was 25. I found the Three Little Kittens, and I think this was 25 cents as well. And this one was from 1974. I just thought that was really super cute. I found The Fox and the Hound, and this was a later one, 1981. I also found this, The Golden Egg book, and it was 50 cents. And this one was a little bit older, 1947. So this is really awesome. I love it. This will be perfect for Easter. And then this one, The Ugly Dachshund. This is really cute. This is from 1965, and it has some amazing illustrations, hand-drawn pictures. Super cute. I love it. And I have a dog themed junk journal that I'll be putting in my Etsy shop this week, as well as some Easter journals. So you may see a few of these pages in that journal. I believe Tuesday we'll have a video flip through, so come back for that. I found this funny, it's called Spinner's Hand Knits, and it is from, let's see, not sure if I found a date in this one, 1955. This is just so funny. I think the pictures are super fun. This will make a really fun retro junk journal. Aren't they so cute? It's super fun. And then I found a little package of navy blue lace and some seam binding, navy blue and green. I found a book to have a cover for a junk journal. It's a Reader's Digest book. I thought this was really cool. I think I will definitely have to cover the spine because there's like a little crack up here, but I will probably put some fabric and leave this part of it because I think just looks really cool. So I also found this really old columnar pad, ledger pad, and it even came with one sheet of somebody's business expenses filled out. So a couple sheets of that, but most of it is open, so this will be really great for junk journals. And it's an 8.5 by 14 size. And then I found, these aren't old, but I just thought that they would be great to include in junk journal pages and pockets. They're just some dry erase letter cards, and there's a bunch of different animals and pictures on them, so I thought that was cute. And then I also found some flashcards that are different landmarks around the United States. There may even be other countries in here too, yeah. So I thought these would be great for a travel themed junk journal. I also found this book here. It's a pet book for boys and girls. And it is from, let's see, 1949. And it has several different pictures of animals in it. So I thought this would be great. It has that there. All kinds of illustrations of different things in here. So I thought that was really cool. So I'll be including that in some of my journals. This is cute. And then the last thing I found was this Brer Rabbit and his friends. And this one, let's see, is from 1973. It looks like it's been through the war. It's got stains on it and torn pages and things, but this will be really great in a junk journal. Probably in an Easter journal with the rabbit. So it's very cool. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.